for a while on that before getting into the digital and social media side. I worked at Leo Burnett on Cadillac for a few years. So much like Linda talked about, the really interesting thing with digital and social is how much it evolves and changes in that. So just excited to go through, social media trends with you today and talk about that.
Thank you. Brent?
Hope that wasn't me. All right. I'm Brent. I've been doing paid search management for about 4 years and local search for about 2 years. I work at Pure Visibility. And so hopefully if you have any questions about local search management or strategy, I can help everybody out with that today.
We'll have lots of questions, I guarantee it. But first, I'm going to let Brad.
I'll attempt to do some magic. So
I'll let Brad define what social media is for 2013.
Okay, a lot of times, I wanted to put this up because it's interesting about the amount of time that I'll cover on the slide. It just shows you what's happening really kind of within the social space. So I think a lot of times we'll think of social media as Facebook because it's the big gorilla in the room. But basically there's a lot of other things going on and the volume happening in real time. And everything that I'm showing you here as I'm talking about it too, by next week these numbers will be outdated in terms of how quickly it's growing. But if you look at the overall social universe, and actually you see Facebook is just kind of one fraction of that there, in terms of you have what's happening on Twitter, what's happening on Skype, what's happening on YouTube, how many iPhone apps are being uploaded. So it's a really broad universe. The great thing is it's changing all the time, but it also, from a marketing standpoint, makes it a little bit more challenging by the fact that it's changing all the time. I thought there's an interesting quote in terms of regarding the state of social to where it's headed. And this is from Dennis Crowley, who's the co-founder and CEO of Foursquare, where he talked about the future of social media is not that the social graph will become so ubiquitous in everything we do that we will stop using the term social media. In essence, where social media will become such a daily part of our lives and how we're so used to marketing to each other, communicating with each other, sharing with each other, conversing with each other, that we'll really stop referring to it as social media, just become commonplace day to day with what we do. And I'm sure a lot of you see that, now it used to be in terms of there's certain websites you go visit. With most people, Facebook is a daily, site, portal that they're visiting on an ongoing basis. So